This is a Slack's boot file or a SignBot file. It's a system marker. It tells the Slack's operating system that a module is signed. You don't need to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain its role. To quickly determine if the SGN file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. The SGN file extension is associated with SignBot and Slack's boot. It is used for storing data related to the SignBot application and also for booting the Slack's operating system. These files contain critical information for the proper functioning of SignBot and the boot process of Slack's, ensuring the system can load and operate correctly. SGN files can contain various types of data, including configuration settings, boot scripts, and other system-related information. The specific format depends on the application or system using the file. These files are often essential for the proper functioning of the associated software or operating system, and modifying them without proper knowledge can lead to system instability. The standard opener for SGN is known to be SGN Viewer, developed by Signet Bureau. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows can show basic information, but fully understanding the data requires the program that created it. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your SGN file and select Open With. Test SGN Viewer if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If you still cannot open your SGN file, that is okay. General troubleshooting won't work on this SGN file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, to view the content, as it is often a plain text signature or configuration file. Next, use Associated Application. Determine the associated program, e.g. security software, document signing tool, that uses the About SGN file. Finally, check integrity. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. When standard associations break, it's typically because the SGN label is being used by an uncommon or proprietary application. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I truly value your viewership. If this helped, please like and subscribe to say thank you. That concludes the tutorial. Look forward to the next one.